In this video, I will guide you on how to fix shadow ban on TikTok. If your TikTok videos are not getting any views or reaching your followers, in this video, I will help you fix the shadow ban quickly. The first thing you want to do is stop posting any videos for a few days. Do not upload, do it, or stitch anything. Taking a complete break is the most important step because posting during a shadow ban can make it last longer. Use this time to review TikTok's community guidelines so you don't make the same mistake again. If the shadow ban is still there after waiting, you want to open the TikTok app. Now tap on the three bars at the top right corner after heading over to your profile. Here, you want to go to Settings and Privacy, scroll all the way down and tap Help Center. Scroll down to the bottom and select Report a Problem. Now in the report, you clearly want to explain that your account has been shadow banned and that you have been waiting for it to be lifted. Tell TikTok that the issue is still happening and assure them that you will not repeat the mistake or that it happened unintentionally. And that's it. In most cases, these steps will help remove the shadow ban on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.